Ma NDC miena no NDC aban emiena no anka single project and
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
Menua ye kodru ho a asojafo a kintina wafo pa nya asem ketwa adan a yeso omumbo ho ban ti no members of parliament ya omo ye the people's representation wo say wo di nipa anim na ensem bia wo say omo pe efa de ekoso omo koye no they are preventing them from entering the place ya de ya man no ansi ye kwan yetima hu de akoso ho bia a chese ene ya me no kasei say ye kase ye pe aban hospital ama ye de aye adwuma agi nipa nko a ye betima aye media me wa rehwemu say hospital ni status no ye betima agi nipa nko a ho bisa COVID-19 kura ye yare a ehu eba ye no Pentecost for prayer center wo gumu afete ene ye de koji nipa nko how much more bebia ya designate say eye facility and a health facility ene ye ntimi enya adwuma ho eti aya hom te se ma Ashanti reje ye ni kamafo ye no obia minnim se aban ya wo ye che se politics nti o ma ye ho e kire ye wo ha e de be nti na wo se ba ne sa asa eden na se eden na ba Ashanti fo bo ne be no ma ye NDC fo hwene akasa
ewurade nyankopɔ
no wonder say Musa dankwa rating e ba ye no hey say NDC ya ho ode ye wa Ashanti mantam asa
bre ye ninka so why ene monya tumi nti momfanya de mo pe
because Ashanti fo no mo yo madwene say ye nto aba abre MPP ya ye dia nanse ye ba ye hu single project we Ashanti ne atie me
bre ye ninka so why
ma NDC miena no NDC aban emiena no anka single project NDC ababa tra konya so meretenten wonu a start wa complete in Ashanti region.
Hey President Mahama
Metro challenge Pr0j bisa Pr0j say single project ban in Ashanti region and on one de so from one ho aden ni nyansam no innovative and to otimi pagasi ho wie ye complete ya say meka say operational
akwaya John
na wo ya MPP ni tena santimentam na ye he na ma mu di o ma me ana mu ye say ma anya me sa entimi nkoto aba 2028 tibia wo bekom.
They scammed everybody including Nananya Kupon and Kasakra.
Uma me ba yare wo papa ba yare wo ba yare wo hwe ya ye ntimi nhwe no hwene akasa
H0w atumu achiresi bolu achiresi checkpoint na
MPP for o kan se ma fe no mo hope o kan na nanka etiewa ade nti na wo se duru ho na mo kasa na nanka etiewa onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we President John Mahama wonya we so onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we say ministries ni bi o hwan nyoma bi o ho mu ye ni sedan kwe onte say adwuma ni system ni mu onte President John Mahama onte say adwuma ni system ni mu 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no onte dia no aka fa ho efa flooding no dia no aka wo minister for works and housing wada so tete e dia be pa no aya wutua ne ka but all these people are there nkwa no akotwa ahomam Me so ye president ye be duodium. Na strike na reality ni setina. Udi ayane sa na after 2026 President John Dramani ma papa. Udi ayane say ya na after 2026 Ghana fo nya wie pa. Ni ewura 2027 na. Obeka say nya Ghana fo ne toma no. Udi market on the one me say Udi ayane say ya ni ndada Prince Mahama is a hope. Mahama ye adwuma mafu soldiers ne nguso ankamfo. Mankrofo nya se wo ye adwuma me say ma ye wie 2026. Na ye wie 2027 pa. Obeti because abre no na ye politics. Sa abre no obi power too. Sa abre no na ase edu nketia ni Julius ne Professor Alabi mu na busiafo. O ma hye ase na no obonsa afei o tumi na hye ase e chekofom. Na chekofom a afei na nkofo bebusa se adwuma na aka so de be ma ye wehe. Enyoma na wo ka sa wo be ye no e wehe. Over 14.1 million people nkofo mabuna omunye adwuma anye no. Oh, yeah, den.
At to force in there, at to force, you're no, all cause only evidence. As some no can only evidence, but in a near break, because not China say, Obia Quaya post, I may be at to force that number one. And see, Mammy can be a bema to force in 1 year. He had 10. Timwadia Muyam wins the mamma. In a minute. The American Ghana 42 ni NDC muamuwa bemu matemu hwasene say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land. Ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1.1% bi no de amamu. Samun ni respect ma yen 32 million for na yaka wa abonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting make kind of say the power of our tomb. Tamunimwa. Obi wa hanuma office or timu sisi ya no. Just 2 years ago, no chum wa office wa o chum. Utimi na ni wedi hwe ho. Ukwa wa enye ye. Uni tumi bi ade kwa ho. But today you are occupying that seat. You have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama, who is the president of the land. A Ghana for the tumi amano. And wa panic akrebi. President in them what ya so cry chat no responding. I told our friend across and the minister see any appointees see oh friend say tieni as a business when we are singing na ya dia so awo and attention hunu kwa no mo criticate amu kwa mo refisa president Mahama kra wo ho and ya na ha me no any mo amu ye ni nyina e total disrespect to the president. So president wo ho now our interest be crying to want me hide the kakrampo. Supporters is crying to me hide it. Ebi wa ha come a woman that could be out of any job. But it's like air overshadow a man one was a question. And people have relaxed. And no money am bring no much free no more do pay. Hey, Massa.
Muzena down. Simu de bia ye kan wasem. Oman we just say you nim oman issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de chere Ghana for say ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to go and cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and the go sound and no say. It is a Kenyan who say na no man in Abeya. It is a scan of Canada was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the hospitals, and most of my account for. I comfort my facilitator, me on funded free seniors who some account for. You say, any Ghana for debut. I find a tables net 10 after the Mokika Mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to them call. I saw from among common into the also with the greatest of it, among common into them queen in a chief imam for them common to them queen in a politicians need common to them queen in a market women on common to them queen now. Obian can't to them queen in a 2020 Jua, they will know the way forward. Ah, yet the crime will be so on no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open conking it. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibi ye bia invest kwa ye hen kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open koko kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open koko kitinkiti. Is enya mo den. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. E de Rajon Dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya juma order and onya juma order amanam one
for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
O si sa asem na listen for the first time nam one and kwa pe baby akoda and nam one yes na che say was in who kura dwiri ni say state institution a we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ni say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ni say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost why na say maintain ho ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy we take your statement ama o grant o me bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oya unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defendant afi the was by us say any mokra me da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No Raymond Wankasa me Martin ma ba me bia I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings e be pie.
Raymond
very soon who recordings are e be pie.
Agyeta.
And this state institutions are On sa no hu no no kra se amfe ya sorry amfe na nsi for ma Agyeta